Spark. Written by Rachel Tonkin. Illustrated by Rachel Tonkin. Chapter 1. In the Garden. Isabel Snow was helping her dad clean up the garden. Isabel's friend, Jeff, was helping, too. Isabel's dad had the whippersnipper. He was cutting the long grass that grew around the fruit trees. Isabel and Jeff raked the grass into a big pile. Crack! Bang went the whippersnipper when it hit some stones. Suddenly, tiny flames ran through the grass. They curled around Mr. Snow's feet. He stamped on the flames to put them out, but the little flames were too quick. As soon as he stamped on one flame, another flame appeared. "I'll grab the hose," Mr. Snow yelled. "Isabel, run and turn on the tap. Then tell your mother to call 911. Isabel and Jeff ran to turn on the tap. They ran as fast as they could. Isabel imagined the fire was chasing them. She imagined it growing big and fierce like the forest fires on the TV news. She was breathing hard and she wanted to cry. Isabel and Jeff reached the tap and turned it on. Isabel looked back at the fire. The little flames were no higher than her dad's boots, but they were creeping toward the house. The fire was very close to the shed. Isabel's dad soaked it with water. He was so busy saving the shed that he didn't notice the flames spreading across the lawn. The flames kept moving closer to the house. They were also creeping closer to the big pile of grass that Isabel and Jeff had raked. Smoke billowed up and hit Isabel's dad. The smoke was so thick that he couldn't see the flames reach the pile of grass. But Isabel and Jeff could see. They saw the pile flare up and then die down. They were terrified. Chapter 2. Mom! Fire! Isabel and Jeff ran up the steps and into the house. Mom! Fire! Call the fire department, Isabel shouted. But there was no answer. Mom! Mom! Fire! She shouted again. Isabel ran from room to room, but there was no one there. Not even her little sister Clara. The house was empty. "There's a note on the kitchen table," Lev called. "What does it say?" asked Isabel. "Clara and I went shopping." "Be back in 15 minutes, Jeff yelled. Isabel was horrified. There was no time to run back to her dad. "What will we do?" yelled Jeff. Then he burst into